Now here's a question for you. What do you reckon you'd do if you saw something like this crushing cars and buildings outside your door? Cops can't believe their eyes. It's a regular bulldozer that's been converted into something that looks like it should be in a war zone. Cops quickly discover those are heavy steel plates reinforced with concrete. They can't get to the driver, so they need to work out who it is and why he's tearing the town apart. Their best bet is to keep a safe distance, and they do. But those cop cars were empty at the time. Eventually, word comes through. The driver's a bloke with a monster grudge against the local council. Reckons they put him out of business with tough new planning laws. Now, he's got a hit list of targets. The local council, the newspaper, the mayor's house, all flattened. An hour and a half and $5 million worth of damage later, the giant dozer finally stops. So what does it take to stop 75 tons of reinforced steel? You wouldn't believe it. Something ordinary. A broken radiator.